when you want to turn on this cleaner, you can press the 20-minute key or this auto key for 3 seconds, then it will be on. And touch any key on the screen, it was pulse. Then touch again, you will react it. Okay. This is the battery indicator. And when you want to open the dustbin, you can open like this way the dustbin, and then you can clean. This is for the reset for the robot for this cleaner, and this is the Wi-Fi setting when your robot is with the Wi-Fi function. This is for the charging, and this is for the water tank. These two are water tank. This is for the dock charging, and this is for the direct charging. And this is for the mop and the side brush. This is for the section. Okay. Then you work out, just press it. It is the auto cleaning mode in this moment. You can change the cleaning mode by the remote controller or for the mobile app if you use the Wi-Fi function. And if you press this button, 20 minutes button, when the cleaner is on, it means that the cleaner will work continue 20 minutes, then it will stop. And this button is for the auto cleaning. It is for the auto cleaning mode. Then when you want to turn off the cleaner, just press one of these two buttons, 3 seconds, then it will be off.